Hi guys, this is Pipi Lucas and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use MSStickerBrowserView to create a simple iMessage application extension. So first off, we need to launch Xcode, File, New, and Project, and choose iMessage app. Then hit Next. We then need to give our app an application name or product name. Let's name this Sticker Browser. Then hit Next. Then we then click on Create button to create a project. As you can see, tapping on Main Interface Storyboard will load our initial screen. We should delete this label and then add a UI view. Let's put some constraint. And we must change the class of this view to MS Sticker Browser View. We need to create an outlet for this view. Let's just name it browser. And then we can remove this part of the code so we can better see the whole code. Then we add an extension for our messages view controller and add the delegate for the MS Sticker Browser View data source. Then we must add the protocol stubs for the browser. We can then declare a variable that will hold our sticker. So in our case, let's create an array of MSsticker. So let's name it stickers. Okay, then we need to return the number of stickers and that count and the sticker, which is index. In the view did load, we must set the data source for our browser. Data source is equal to self. So we haven't yet loaded any stickers. I prepared these images for us to use. So if you notice that there is a regular size, a times 2 and times 3 images for each um, image. So we just need to drag this over to our project and make sure that the assets or images is added to our target message extension. Then hit finish. We will then need to declare a variable of the image name. Image name is equal to the cat, dog, and bear. We then need to add those stickers to our we then need to add those images as stickers, so we need to load it one by one. Let's do that using for image name. So let's change first this one in image names. Next is we need to get the URL for each image, so let's do that by using if let URL equals to bundle that main that URL for resource image name with PNG extension. We then need to create a sticker for that image, so let's do that by typing in let sticker is equal to try ms sticker contents of a file. We put in our URL and then a description for it. So let's use image name underscore sticker and then append this to our sticker array. Okay, let's try to run the app and see the result. Okay, let's add say a do here and copy paste this part of the code and then have a catch here. Okay, I think we're good, so let's try our app. It kind of takes time to load. So now you can see we have successfully loaded our sticker. So I will show you if I put here at 2x at 2x at 2x, then try to run the app again. You can see that the image is a bit larger. And if I change this to 3x and run the app again, the sticker is loaded, but it doesn't have any visual uh, noticeable visual change. What I try to do is I create a class and custom browser view, which has a subclass of MSStickerBrowserView, and override the size. For example, we want the large one, and then change this one to our custom browser view. And also in the storyboard, we need to change that to our custom browser view. And then for us to change the size, I'm going to create a function that will just read the current size of the sticker browser view and return the at 2x or at 3x at the end. So let's do that by typing in size. It should return a string. Then let's create a variable sizes is equal to an empty string at 2x and at 3x. Then we will just return the sizes using the sticker size. So if we're going to use, for example, the small, let's change this one to image name image size name plus browser that size. Let's see what happens. We put in an image size name. Okay, let's run the app and see what happens. Oh, my mistake, sorry. We must change this one first to cat, dog, and bear. So this is the small stickers. Then we need to change this one to regular. Let's see what happens. Then changing this one to large. We'll load the at 3x files. Or we can tap send it just for test. I hope you guys learned something from the video, and please support my channel by hitting like and subscribe. Bye guys.